Solar energy is the future of energy. RESSCOTT Limited, the solar energy engineers of Trinidad and Tobago, are here to help save money on your utility bill, reduce your energy consumption, and minimize your carbon impact. Our commercial solar designs and engineering capability is guaranteed to remove a minimum of 50 to 100% of your energy consumption and provide a return on investment within 6 years. Our service extends also to the residential and industrial sectors in the areas of solar water heaters, pool heating, explosion-proof LED or solar lighting, and CCTV cameras. We offer a turnkey engineering service. Discover exclusive designs that are best in class and adhere to international engineering codes and standards. Visit our showroom on Superior Street in San Fernando, our website at RESSCOTT.com, or call for your consultation at 378-0588, 370-7087, or 366-2471. The future of energy is solar. The future of energy is RESSCOTT Limited.